Hi, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. Today I am sharing a photo album with you which measures 11 inches by 8 inches. This is a very quick and easy photo album to make. It was a gift for a brother who was coming in for a flying visit, and I wanted to give him something that I had made with my own hands. The paper pack that I've used, I'll share with you at the end of the walkthrough. So this is the cover of the album. I've used a chipboard sentiment, and I've added some newer drops both at the top and here at the bottom. This is a chipboard design here. This is cut from the paperback, and I mounted it on cardstock and then on 2 pieces of chipboard to give it some height. These are doilies and these are hand cut tags. So you open up. The front cover is kept plain because I didn't really want to add too much bulk to this to make it easier to carry it. This is the first page. You can put in 5x7 photograph here, and this is a border from the die cut page of the paperback, and you can put the photograph here. And this is the insert. The insert is plain to add more photos. It's matted with the pattern paper. On the second page, we have a space for a 4x4 photo, and this opens up to give space for 4x6 photographs. You can add more photos, journaling as required. This is again an insert, and this is a booklet, either for journaling or for putting in more photographs. This is again a 5x7 space, a pocket. On the fourth page we have spaces for 3x5 photographs, journaling space, and this is a die cut from the pack, and it's not fixed to the thing. You can actually lift it and put the photograph behind it. On the fifth page we have spaces for a 4x4 photo, a 4x6 photo. Again I've used a die cut, which is not, you can lift it and insert the photo underneath this. Space for journaling. On the next page we have space for 3x5 photographs, journaling spaces, pocket, insert for cropped photographs. Here on this page we have an insert for photographs, and this is actually 2 pages which I have joined together using this closure. You can mount a photo here, and this is independent of each other, and there are spaces for 4x4 photo. There's a tag. This is a handmade pocket mounted with a dies cut piece. 4x4 photo is a hand cut pocket with a tag, and on this we have a pocket space to keep the insert. 4x6 photo, a 3x5 photo. There is also a pocket which you can insert more photographs. The back of the album is also plain because the paper was so beautiful that you don't want to actually mount anything to hide the design there. Now I'm going to show you the paperback. This is the paper pack. It's by a company called Eno Greetings, which is a Chinese company, and the papers are absolutely beautiful. Here are the scraps. I've used 9 pages out of 24 in this. The texture of this is amazing. It's one of my favorite companies to purchase papers from. This paper is beautiful. There's no other word for it. So if you get it in your place, you can always make a purchase. It's a very good, it's really very good. Here are the die cut pieces that I've used, some of them that I've used, borders. I'm going to show you the different designs in this. So it starts with this page, which is the back of the, I haven't used this one. To show the back of the album, this is the page that I used for the back of the album. Again, I haven't done any embellishment because the paper is so beautiful. There's a butterfly. There are the flowers. So, thank you for watching my video. Bye.